Hey, I'm Harper.
And I'm Annabelle.
Today we're going to have some fun making Funfetti cupcakes.
But first, let's get on our baking aprons.
Are you okay? High five! For this recipe, you will need these items.
Funfetti cupcake mix.
A mixer.
A cupcake pan.
1 cup water.
Half cup oil.
3 eggs.
A timer.
Hand protection.
And cupcake wrappers.
And sprinkles are optional. But first, here's a special safety note. Make sure to always have an adult with you while you're cooking or baking. So the first step before holding any food utensils is to wash your hands thoroughly. Remember, you should wash your hands with warm, soapy water for 20 seconds.
Now, let's wash our hands.
So first you have to pour the powder in the bowl. Make sure you get all of it. We're gonna add our half cup of oil. 1 cup water. Have 3 eggs. Put 3 eggs in. Mix for 2 minutes. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350. You could use oil or fun cups for the cupcakes. I like using an ice cream scooper to scoop the batter into the cupcake mold. Make sure to bake them for 20 to 24 minutes. Time to put the dough in the oven. Thank you, magical oven. Looks good. Now that it's done baking, it's time to put the frosting on. A delicious success.